Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from The Agency and welcome to 20 Mansfield Street. This home is being offered to the marketplace for the first time in 41 years. Come inside and see why the owners love this home so much they decided to keep it for such a long period of time. I really love the front veranda on this home. It gives great street appeal. The steep pitch of the roof is one of my favourite features, along with the beautiful tongue and groove walls inside.
Along with the amazing period features that this home has to offer, it is also situated in Wandal, one of Rockhampton's great suburbs that takes advantage of the amazing amenities we have here on the south side.
If you would love to put your personal stamp on this incredible period home,
Give our team a call today, we would love to help you out.